Who do you think should go to jail? President Trump or President Biden, bridging the gap in a divided world? Here's my thought. Who do I think should go to jail? I think we shouldn't even be focusing on this as a primary question. That's not a political statement. In fact, people want Hunter Biden to go to prison, President Trump to go to prison. Hey, let the justice system do what it's going to do. But how is that going to affect your money, time, and magic, your business? And I'm not talking about not caring about the world at large, but what you care and think about some of these issues isn't going to primarily drive and accelerate and build the things you want to build in the world. And what if we took control of our own individual lives, our own ecosystems, our own communities, and we began to build everything we want to build by learning how to build it? On August 30th, you'll learn principles about uniting people in unbelievably different perspectives and views, and how to accelerate and build your business. You're managing, leading, consulting, recruiting, fundraising, whatever you're doing in the world, all those parts of your business, that's where we're going to cause acceleration in and cause unity, not division this time. That's not a political statement. I'm not a Democrat or a Republican, quite frankly. I'm a truth seeker. I'm a uniter. I'm a builder. That's what I believe this country is based on. And I'm not criticizing you if you can't stand Donald Trump or can't stand Joe Biden. I'm not criticizing. I'm offering a different perspective to focus on what you can control and build. I'm Sean Callagy. See you on August 30th if you want to take control of your business and your life at the next level.